Good morning, Tahmina Khan is here. In TKMaths is fun. In today's video, I will explain to you the concept of 24-hour time. It is a part of the syllabus of O-level mathematics, CAIE. The code is 4024. So before I begin, you can see on the top here, this is my website address, and you can find it very useful. Do visit it. And I'm offering online classes also over here. And tkmathsisfun.blogspot.com is my blog address where I am offering free videos. So let's begin. In this video, I have picked up two questions and they will cover two different concepts. So first question, a coach left London at 20:45 and arrived at Edinburgh the next day at 05:05. How long did the journey take? So the mistake is made here straight away, the subtraction. Because the concept is if something is starting at time, certain time, and ending, of course, later time, then you just subtract and get the time, whatever it is used to do that thing. So here, if you see what is happening, it is next day. And we know in 24-hour clock, at 24:00, the next day start and clock changes to 00. So here when the train or the coach left London at 20:45 and reaching the next day at 05:05, there is midnight in between, 24-hour. So when the clock strikes 24-hour, the digits changes to 0000. So you cannot do straight away subtraction. So what do you do in such cases? In such cases, you actually consider that the clock has not changed to 0000. So what you will do, you will add 05:05 in 2400, the time at which the clock changes. So if the clock has not changed to 00, then at what time the coach will arrive? It will arrive at 29:05. This is my hour, this is my minute, right? This is hour and this is minute. So when I'm adding up, if the clock has not changed to 24:00, I'm in 00 here, it means the arrival time would be 29:05. So now I have arrival time. Do not think at the moment that it is unrealistic. Yes, we will change it later. So this is arrival time and this is departure time. So now it is easy for you to find out the journey time. You will subtract the two timings, right? Traveling time is arrival time minus starting time. So my arrival time is 29:05. Now, the problem here is we do not do the subtraction here like we do in normal hundreds unit thing. Here, minute is dealt separately and hour is dealt separately. So if I see, I am subtracting 45 minutes from 5 minutes, which is not possible. So that's why I have taken 1 hour from here. When 1 hour will go from here into minutes, it will change into 60. So it will become 65 minutes, which I have written here. Now I can do 65 minus 45, which is 20 minutes. And when I have taken 1 hour from here, now it is no more 29, it is 28. So 28 minus 20 will be 8. So this will give you the journey time, which is 8 hours and 20 minutes. So in this question, we have learned the concept that if the train or any program you are watching or any journey you start, which start at a night, and like it start at 20:45, and then next day it is arriving. So straight away you add in 24-hour clock that time of journey, which will give you arrival time. I hope you understood this question. So now let's see the next question. Now in this question, the film begins at 21:55 and the film lasts for 205 minutes. You have to answer two things here. At what time it will end? And sorry, only one question. At what time it will end? And express your answer using the 24-hour clock. So we also need to convert 205 minutes into hours and minutes. Okay, so keep this thing in your mind. Now, the information which is given here, film begins at 21:55 and lasts for 205 minutes. So to change 205 minutes into minutes, what I will do here, I know 1 hour is 60 minutes. So 2 hours is 120 minutes. 3 hours, 180 minutes. 4 hours, 240 minutes. Now 240 is more than 205. So I will subtract 180 minutes from 205. It will give me 25 minutes left behind. It means from 205 minutes, it is 3 hours and 25 minutes, right? So now I know how long the movie was. It was 3 hour 25 minutes long movie, and it started at 21:55. So if I have to find out at what time it will end, I will simply add up. So this time and this time. So let's see what happened then. If you add up, now this is minute end and this is hour. Minutes are not carried into hour because it changes. 1 hour is 60 minutes. So I'm simply adding up here. It is 80 minutes. And here I'm adding hours separately to 25 hours. Oh, sorry, 24. So now if you say somebody 24 hour 80 minutes is finished, it will not make sense because at 2400 hour the day changes and it changes to 0000. So let's change this into acceptable time in which one understands. So now we have seen that film is ending at 2480. So now what we'll do? From 80 minutes, first of all, I'll take out 1 hour because I know after 60 minutes, we count it as 1 hour. So that's why I'm subtracting 60 from 80 and it will become 20. Now that 1 hour which I'm taking out, I'm adding into it as an hour. So 24 plus 1 is 25. So now, first of all, this time 25, 20 minute is fine, but hour is still not fine. So what you will do, if the film is started at 21:55 and ended at 25:20, how you will change this hour into sensible time. So from 25:20, I'm subtracting 2400 because 2400 were gone and the remaining is the new timing, right, of the next day. So 20 minus 0 is 20 and 25 minus 24 is 1. Now this is the next day. In this question, it is not asked, but at times it is asked. Okay, for example, it was written here that the film started on Wednesday. So what time it will end on Thursday? So do not get confused by Thursday and Wednesday. It is just because the next day. So that's why it is after Wednesday, it is Thursday, right? So 21:55 was the previous day. So I can say it will end at 1:20 the next day. I hope it makes sense to you. If you have any other query, you can ask. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like it and you have done something, please do press like and subscribe button. Take care. Allah Hafiz.